we got that Taco Bell right there, that steak tower menu bowl.
Bussin'.
Yeah, he likes my car.
Dude, that motherfucker, we were chilling and he just goes, fuck.
Hey, let me ask you something. How the are you gonna
On the bottom.
that out?
Right here. Yeah, the belt. Yeah. No.
No.
Eddie, you were warmer the first time. You were warmer the first time.
No, it wasn't.
The yellow
No, that ain't cold.
Get oil.
It's in this area.
Okay. Alright, so it's that
No, that's the intake.
this black shit?
No.
Alright, I don't this right here, bro. Isn't that the intake?
No. This right here, the tube.
That is the intake.
This part. But this part.
Okay, but he didn't point at that. He pointed at this shit.
No, this is the throttle bar. He pointed at this.
What are you talking about? Whatever, I don't care.
Yo, that looks like it's been like in your what do you call this? In the water for like 5 years.
Oh my god.
That was the first condom we ever got as a kid.
How do you open it?
You open the light.
Oh, it's not like a pop-up. They're electric. They're pop-up, but they're electric. Caught on fire if you get shot by a flare gun. And we were like, bro, it's probably gonna just. This morning, local 15. Yo, this has a nail clipper in his Yo, what the is this, dog?
Yo, Eddie, when you come back, park on the grass.
Yo, my key is brown, dog. Yo, the tip of my key is brown.
Think I got what I asked.
How's it going?
We're going to Staples. We're heading out.
Let me put it aside. Put it aside.
This is you, and this is the guy you told me.
Nice.
Hola, papi. Look at that.
It's out.
That's the thumbnail, bro.
Yo, Sergio, you should dip it into your pool. Dip the old one in your pool so it cleans out and then sell it.
Oh, what's up, motherfuckers? We back.
Hey, man, like and subscribe, dog. We got Kenny right here. He just stole the YouTube video. You know, like always. Look how dirty my O2 is.
What is that fucking hand placement, dog? you look like fucking Krusty Krab. Yo, Sergio, let me give you a little kiss, dog. When you're putting it in and it just gets stuck.
That's what she said.
My ass, like, it hurts from squatting. So, like, it like tightens.
Oh no.
Is that the wish toolbox?
My 9th grade teacher told me you're gonna cheat your way all through high school. I told her.
And you did.
Your Corvette has been sitting here that long.
I know it's created dust. It's created dust.
It's growing cheese?
Yeah, what do I feel on my ass, bro? What's in my ass? Yo,
what was that, bro?
Bang, bro.
You got everyone sexually abusing Sergio.
Yeah, race him in the Civic in reverse.
From Publix because I stole a choppy chop and some chicken nuggets. My dad built a Cummins engine for an RV from scratch. He had like a whole block, everything broken loose.
I just want a fucking 600 horsepower street car.
Like in a year and a half or 2 years, like if you pop this hood, like what the fuck is gonna be here?
I don't know about a year. Mustang could have like a more powerful engine, but Chevy's always gonna have a better chance. I'm actually supposed to get the 03 to 04 oil dipstick, but I'm gonna just do some fucking
Bootlegged shit.
Sorry, let me get a food review.
10 out of 10 fast food. Wendy's, you can't go wrong. You got number 2 meal. Double patty, bacon, cheese.
That shit pisses me off.
All right, Sergio, update. What part are you at?
So we're double teaming this right now, you feel me? Jordan's taking off the spark plugs. Did he take them all out, Jordan? And then I'm already like on the bolts of the header. So I've already taken off this bolt and this bolt. I'm on the 3rd bolt now. I'm gonna switch over to that side, take off the bolts on that side, and leave the last bolt all the way in the back for me and Jordan to figure out together, because that's literally the worst freaking part.
Boys, if you haven't seen the C5 headers right here, look at the welds on this baby. This is gonna be shiny for a good month. The both headers, and then he has the X pipe in here somewhere. Got it.
The recorder slaps the recording.
What?
What?
What boat are you on?
Oh, it's there.
You see that last bolt all the way in the back?
Sorry,
On
I
that
had to
side,
get
it's not
the
that
angle.
bad. It's on this side that sucks, massive.
Yeah, 4K of that cheese dust.
Spark plugs are brand new. Look at that.
Hey, Jenny.
I'm not gonna record because I didn't want to.
Definitely leaving that one in.
Guys, we're on a run for Jordan Rusty. Gotta bring him his pink lemonade. But first, all right, we're good, boys. All right, bro, here's your lemonade. Didn't take a sip out of it. It's completely fresh. Nothing at all.
Yo, can I jump into the pool with your phone?
Why are you sipping it like that?
Can I jump into the pool with his phone so I can get content? With your phone? so I can get content. Get water. Yeah. Yo, away from your cock.
Harlan causes too.
Harlan good.
Them beautiful, slim, thick hands.
Oh, there you go. What up, papi?
Your cables, charge the
Too early.
Anyways, I just got here. I'm growing out the mullet.
Yo, wait, send it. Let's win the lottery. Let's all keep playing lottery tickets. That's why I want Jordan to make it. So Jordan will do it. Jordan will do it. Eddie. Here, bro. It's in the parking lot, dogging. 5-0.
Yeah, Jordan, when you're getting big, you're buying me a house.
Yo, am I getting paid for this?
No. Yeah.
Yo, why is your toe built like that?
What's wrong with that?
Bro got some trophy.
This is why you wear socks with slides.
Taking out the old 2 sensors, bro. Gotta put them in the new headers.
Why do we need O2 sensors? I know why, but for the people who don't know.
You need
To
O2
read your air
sensors.
filter.
No, you need O2 sensors so that when your blinker fluid runs out, it lets you know.
People don't listen.
Them feet looking good, bro.
Yes, there is. A 4x4.
Yeah.
And it's all-wheel drive.
Look at this shit. First.
Run!
Excuse me. Hello. Excuse me. Quick question. No, I just have to run.
Sorry.
No, you're good. Nada, quería saber si yo pudiera coger tu número.
Ok, pero mi número no es de aquí.
¿Tú tienes Instagram?
Sí.
Me lo puedes... Bueno, dile a la cámara. Okay, gracias. You're really cute, by the way. Oh, no way, I just did that. That's crazy. Yo, for the fucking content, yes sir. We just ran like on fucking bare feet, bro. Yo, I got her number.
Bro, that's how you know my shit runs rich as f. These spark plugs are brand new. Look at that.
Yo, slide me that socket.
Change your calipers after putting them in yesterday? No. My dad put them in? This, I just know, that's some crazy engineering from the 2000s. The scoop goes into the...
Yeah, for your brakes.
I did not know that it comes in this car. Yeah, for real, we're new. So they can engineer that, but they can't engineer a simple spark plug change. That's what I'm saying, dude.
It's not that hard now that we know how to do it.
Yo, you heard what Gian said? Make sure to put on the front diff. We gotta remember that, okay?
Huh? What are you guys talking about?
Put on the oil pan. Front diff?
There's no front diff in this.
Yes, there is. A 4x4.
Yeah.
It's all-wheel drive.
It already smells good in there. It smells like sex.
All right, so now we're tightening the header, as you can see here. We're tightening it, and we gotta make sure that all these bolts are secure, nothing's loose, because that would not be good. We would have header leaks, and you do not want that. So you're not gonna want to tighten them in all the way at first. You're just gonna want to get them there at almost like right when it's about to be tight, but you can still get some more, so it has some room to move a little bit, so that all the bolts go in perfectly and none of them are cross-threaded. Because you don't want that either. So these headers are beautiful. These are Speed Engineering. I don't know what exact model they are, but they're for the C5 Corvette. They add a little bit of horsepower.
What you can do, bro, is the palm method. No.
Oh, what is this?
Oh, look how much more space there is. Hold on, these headers, like,
What? Stuff we find in project cars, man. So this is your YouTube channel?
Before and after.
you will see flames. Good man. These guys that push the wires are pushing me, dog. That's all.
What is the back tip stuck on? Alright, I'm gonna go up top. I need to see what the fuck is it. It's stuck on. There you go.
Oh, that's the f***ing power of Jordan, Gian, and Sergio.
Let's go, my boy. It's still blinking, yeah?
So you finagle your way through it. The correct way is to take off the wires off the starter, but
We don't have time for that right now. It's getting dark and we gotta do this quick, so nothing's damaged, I hope.
yeah, everything's good.
The best part about all this is figuring out the lighting situations. All right, so after a long trial and error match with this header, we have made it in. The easiest way is to just lift up the car a whole bunch and just go in through the bottom, because you can't do it from the top. Like supposedly you were supposed to do it through the top from what some videos were saying, but the easiest way is to just do it from the bottom. So grab yourself a jack, couple jack stands.
And basically, guys, you know, LS Engineering GM, while they've done that side header, I'm only on the third spark plug.
Oh my god, you know, despite all the troubles we go to do all this shit, it's fun to us. We like cars, we like doing all this shit, so we just do it for fun.
Definitely worth the pain.
We do it for us. It's worth the pain. A couple cuts on my hands happens, but it's all fine. It's all for fun. It's all to make race cars great again. The tip of my index finger hurts like a bitch. I don't know what happened, but it really hurts. Oh, motherfucker. All right, my boy, it's time to put in the extra spark plugs on this side because he can't get to it.
All the pressure over time that equal diamonds on my necklace.
There we go, we're done.
Y'all just talking reckless. I'm not here for second place. I want broken.
You good, dog? Sounds like you're resuscitating Jesus over there.
I want all the pressure over time that equal diamonds on my necklace. Check my effort. Y'all not on my level. My bag, the wrong $1,000 duffel. Check my weapon. No Smith & Wesson. 30 with extension. Fight off my depression.
Watch out. Oh, it's in. The exhaust is out. We just cut that thing at the back because it was stuck right there on that last bolt.
Here, the weld was too close to the bolt, so we weren't able to fit a socket in there. But it's straight though because I'm gonna do dumps either ways.
We're almost done with the car. He's just putting in the spark plugs right now. He's drinking some lemonade, and we just have to assemble this catless X pipe. Just put everything on, clamp everything on, and we should be done for today. And then tomorrow we just gotta put all this back together, put the alternator on, and once we do that, we can start it up. Yeah, charge it up because the car's been dead. It's just been sitting here. Assemble everything back up, do that, and we started up to see how she sounds with the new headers and that new exhaust system. After a long day's work, the lemonade hits different, you know. These hands are magical. If you guys drop 15 likes on the video, I will upload the video of the startup on this Corvette a day early. We're gonna have to split this into 2 parts because this is way too long. But if you guys do drop 15 likes, I will release that video a day earlier than it's supposed to go out. So now we're putting on the passenger side coil wires. Once the spark plugs are all in, we just got those all in. So we're just plugging in the wires. You gotta make sure these are plugged in correctly because
yeah, you'll hear 2 clicks on this top side and 1 click on the bottom.
yeah, you just gotta make sure they're in correctly because if you do have a little misfire situation,
It's probably that.
it's probably that. We speak from experience. Flashback. These headers look beautiful on this car. Chrome and you know what I'm saying?
We got the crackhead Chevy owner under the car now.
Maybe you have a go at it, Jordan? Doing that? Keep doing it. Ow, my finger. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Daddy.
Oh, that worked.
Why does this shit not want to come out?
Success. Alright guys, now that the headers are on, exhaust is cut, we have dumps right now, and now that we've done almost everything, the header install, spark plugs back in, all the coil wires and coil packs, everything's in, and we should be ready to go for tomorrow. We just need to reinstall the alternator, put the belt back on, jumpstart the car, and then we can start it. We can't go anywhere because this clutch still doesn't work right now. He's waiting on an opportunity for him to do it himself. The clutch doesn't work yet. We're gonna get it fixed in the near future. But now that it's all good, next video we're gonna hear a cold start with the new headers and the new exhaust system. That's pretty much it for this video. I need you guys to drop a like and a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you like most about a C5 Corvette. Also, if you haven't subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching. That's the end of this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
33 and 32, this shit go crazy. Might shave my head like Britney. Might go insane, but I broke my brain if I got this fame too quickly.